Well, once again, guess where I'm at? Hi! I'm under the bridge. Yes. And my rope is tied to the, you guessed it. So let's film some of this before we get blown away so you can see what I'm talking about. See that over there? Under bridge. Over there, see it? That don't look cool at all, in my opinion. But, yeah, we're under the bridge down here, and, get your fucking ass in the house. We are about to get fucking stomped. Funnel cloud on ground, funnel cloud on ground. What? There's a funnel on the fucking ground. Shit. Oh shit. Yeah, here it comes. It's here. I'll try to film as much of this as I can because I'm going to have to get underneath the damn bridge and tie myself up. All my stuff's fixing to get blown away too. I'm camping right over there where that pole's at. Yeah, it's cold. It's windy. It was hot. I'm talking about it was really, really hot. So, yeah, we're fixing to be in. Hope you can see some of this footage I got. The wind just picked up, it was calm, now it's blowing like a banshee. So, there's some footage of the storm. This is the best I can do because I can't get too far out. Radar, please. Somebody, I don't have a phone that shows radar. I need to run back to my camp and get my computer. Nope. Not gonna happen. As you can see, let's see if I can get some of this footage before I have to get under here and tie myself up. Yeah, but it's looking pretty mean. And it's doing the same thing it did last time when the sirens went off. Yeah, we're about to be in for a world of hurt. I see a funnel cloud. Yep, there it is, right there. Oh yeah, we're screwed. Get ready to put your hat on, kids. Tighten up your shit. Let's see, I got my lighter, I got my knife. I need to strap myself in and there we go. I gotta go. See ya. I can't stay out here to shoot this anymore. That's it. Oh yeah, it's here. We're so screwed. It's here. Well, I'm down here underneath the Paris Road and 63. I'm underneath the bridge, tied up here. Basically, it looks like it's about 9-ish, 8:30. 8:30. That's what I'm thinking. 8:30. It's looking like it did that last time when the sirens went off. So, I pray there's not going to be too much damage, but it's looking like it wants to do something really goofy. So there you go. That's all I can provide for right now. This is a storm spotter Glen Munro here in Columbia, Missouri. It's Saturday evening. I said it's about 8:30. anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to batten down the hatches a little bit better. But over there, it looked like there was a funnel. So, I'm usually always in the middle of this. I didn't even want to live here. I knew the weather was going to be crappy here. But I know we need the rain, but this isn't how I was thinking. This is my kind of rain. Anyhow, okay. I'll get back to y'all here in a little while.